Hey, do you want to learn how you can make your own favorite sports team's logo sign? Now, I'll bet you that your favorite team is the Chicago Cubs. But I won't tell anyone. But keep watching and I'm going to show you how you can create one of these for yourself. For my cool Cubs logo, I picked up this Circle Pine blank at Michael's for a few bucks using my 40% off coupon. Have you figured out why I'm folding this paper circle? I'm using it to find the center of the wood circle. Here I'm taking measurements from the logo I printed out. I was able to use the enlargement setting on my printer in order to get the exact size for the Cubs logo I needed to match the wood circle. To transfer the letters, I'm going to use this graphite paper. Everything I'm darkening in here is going to get cut out by using my rigid trim router. I'm using what's called a profile bit. It has a very narrow tip. I'm going to use it to carve all the close edges. Here I'm using a 1/4 inch flat bottom groove bit. I'll use some fine sandpaper to smooth out all the edges before I paint. To match the blue color, it's trial and error using acrylic water-based paint. I tried several combinations before I was satisfied. A little clear top coat to give it a nice finished look. Picture hanging hook centered on the back and it's ready for display. So thanks for watching Allie Picked. I hope you learned a few things. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to be notified of future videos when they're released, please click on the bell. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.